Hi students, good morning. How are you? Are you doing well? Now continuation of electrochemistry part 1 of problems. This period I will finish the problems. Next period I will start next concept. Next period I will start next concept. Okay? You are ready? Can I start? Okay? Problems. Okay? Yesterday how many problems I finished? 8 and 9. I forgot number. Okay? So start problems. So I thought problem 8 completed. Okay. So problem number 9. Okay, write down problem. So next period I will start a next concept. Next period I will start next concept. Okay, write down. Calculate then. Calculate the standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs energy. Standard Gibbs energy. Gibbs energy means Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs energy. Change for the change for the change for the redox reaction of Daniell cell. Next na Daniell cell. Daniell cell. Within bracket E0 cell of Daniell cell 1.1 volts. 1.1 volts. Calculate the standard Gibbs free energy change for the redox reaction of Daniell cell. Generally Daniell cell we know zinc solid Cu2 plus aqueous solution in equilibrium to Zn2 plus and copper solid. Okay. In this case, how many electrons are involved? Here n value. How many electrons are involved? 2 electrons. Here 2 electrons are involved. 2 electrons are involved. That means n value how much? 2. We know Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy formula simply delta G naught equal to minus n of E naught cell, like that. Okay, minus n value how much? 2. F 96,500 into 1.1. So calculation on see 2.96,500 into 2 how much? 0 0. Here 1.1. 1.1 means So these are 21 siblings. Okay. That means 212300 here joules. Wait. Your answer. Sibling 21.23 kilojoules. So these are answer. Minus. So delta G naught equal to minus 21.23 kilojoules. 21.23 kilojoules. Actually 21 that equal to actually minus 21,230 joules actually. So these are joules. Joules converted into kilojoules means by 1000. So that answer. Okay, write down. So anyway, so that is kilojoules for mole. Kilojoules for mole. Joules for mole. Joule converted to kilojoules means by 1000. So answer minus 21.23 kilojoules per mole. Very easy. Calculate the standard Gibbs free energy. Delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell. Minus how many electrons are involved? 2. FO 1 Faraday equal to 96,500. Value given 1.1. So calculate. So minus 21,230 joules per mole. 21,000 means by 1000. So 21.23 kilojoules. Joules converted to kilojoules means by divided by 1000. So write down. Next, problem number 10. So problem number 10. A cell is constructed. A cell is constructed using Pb2 plus Pb and Ni2 plus comma Ni electrodes if E naught values of lead and nickel electrodes are respectively minus 0.13 and minus 0.25 volts. Write first the cell reaction and B cell notation. So generally they given two elements, two ions, very easy. Lead ions, nickel ions. So E0 values of lead and nickel electrodes are respectively minus 0.13 and minus 0.25. Right, two questions they asked: cell reaction and cell notation. Notation means representation. Generally, here we know low standard reduction potential values. Low standard reduction potential value cell acts as a anode. High standard reduction potential acts as a cathode. So they asked calculate the here. So write the cell reaction B and the cell notation. Here first lead given, nickel given. So the reduction potential of the reduction potential value of which one is more? Lead more, but nickel less. Lead minus 0.13 more compared to minus 0.25. The reduction potential value of lead higher than nickel. The reduction potential value of lead higher than nickel. Lead more, nickel less. So here oxidation of cell reaction is oxidation of reaction. Which one is oxidation? Generally nickel acts as a anode, lead acts as a cathode. Because why? First nickel low value, these are higher value. We know reduction potential value, standard reduction potential or reduction potential. Reduction potential value low means that acts as a anode. Reduction potential value high means that acts as a cathode. That means oxidation of cell reaction is oxidation of cell reaction of nickel. That means oxidation of cell reaction equal to oxidation nickel. So nickel means Ni solid gives us to Ni2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron. That is a oxidation of reaction. And reduction of reaction. So reduction of cell reaction. So that means reduction means lead Pb2 plus aqueous 2 electron. So gives us to Pb solid. So first write down the oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. Write down first. Write down. After that, the cell reaction is simply nickel Ni plus Pb2 plus Q62 Ni2 plus and Pb. These are aqueous, these are solid. So these are aqueous, these are solid. The cell notation. Cell notation means representation. Simply nickel undergoes oxidation, lead undergoes reduction. Simply Ni2 plus. Okay, simply like the short digit type. And Pb2 plus and Pb, the solid. So these are aqueous, so these are solid. So these are simple ink. Or Ni2 plus aqueous, Pb2 plus aqueous, or Pb solid, like that. Anyone correct? The cell notation. So done. Dear students, very easy. Your wish. Two parallel indicates the salt bridge like that. Okay, nickel. These line last time explained. So one parallel line, one vertical line or semicolon indicates the electrode. Simply nickel rod dipped into the nickel sulfate solution. Okay, lead sulfate solution like that. So write down. Eleventh. Problem. Simply, reduction potential value low means it acts as a anode. Reduction potential value more means it acts as a cathode. That point very important. Remembering this point. This point. Next one. E0 of zinc electrode. E0 of zinc electrode is minus 0.762 volt. Calculate the single electrode potential. Calculate the single electrode potential of zinc electrode in decimolar zinc sulfate solution. Here single electrode potential. Previous explained Nernst equation for single electrode single electrode potential of metal electrode and non-metal electrode. Zinc is a metal. We can so according to Nernst equation simply E equal to E naught plus 0.059 by N into log C. Here C equal to concentration of zinc ion. Simply E equal to E naught given how much? E naught value here N value Z. So E naught value given minus 0.762 plus 0.059 by N means how many electrons are involved? Zn2 plus zinc loses 2 electrons into log of Zn2. Here C equal to concentration of zinc ion. Decimolar given. Deci means how much? 10 to the power minus 1. Deci means 0.1. 0.1 means 10 to the power minus 1. Log 10 to the power minus 1. Concentration. So simply log 10 to the power minus 1 or log 10 to the power minus 1. Log 10 to the power minus 1 concentration. Next step. So E equal to minus 7.62. Here log 10 to the power minus 1 value minus 1. Log 10 to the power minus 1 value minus 1. Here minus into plus so minus. That means simply minus 0.059 by 2. How much? 0.02 times 0.0295. That means next to E equal to minus 0.0295. That equal to 0.762. 0.762. 5197. 0.7915. 0.7915 volts. That also correct. Very easy. Single electrode potential, nearest equation for single electrode potential, metal electrode and non-metal electrode. Last time I explained. Nearest equation for metal electrode means E equal to E naught plus 0.059 by N into log C. Here N equal to number of electrons are involved. So number of electrons are involved in this reaction. Here decimal are given. Decim is how much? 0.1. That means 10 to the power minus 1. So substitute values last to 0.7915 value came. Okay, write down that problem. Okay, next problem. Next problem, calculate E. E means EMF of the cell. Calculate E of the cell with Cu2 plus 0.1 molar var Cu. Electrode and Cl minus 0.1 molar of Cl2. There platinum electrode. Next question, E naught Cu2 plus by Cu equal to plus 0.33 volts and E naught of Cl2 by Cl minus equal to 1.36 volts. 1.36 volts. Here calculate the E of the cell. Here E means they given two cells. Oxide, so one electrode, one metal, another non-metal is there. They asked E of the cell means here E is nothing but EMF of the cell. EMF of the cell means E cathode minus E anode. So don't take direct cathode and anode. So among both are plus value. Which one plus value more, that acts as a cathode. Which one is less plus value, that acts as a anode. Both are plus means these are anode, these are cathode. Okay. But first they given concentration means from the nearest equation. Copper means metal electrode, single electrode. It is a metal electrode, these are non-metal electrode. According to nearest equation, we can apply the nearest equation for metal electrode, nearest equation non-metal electrode. So first nearest equation for metal electrode. Your metal electrode means you calculate E equal to E naught plus 0.059 by N log C here. In this case, once Nernst equation formula. So we want first Nernst equation formula compulsory. So Nernst equation formula required. After that, one C. Okay, one C, boy. Let's write down the problem. Okay. In this case, after that, so for next, they are completed next. E equal to E naught plus 0.059 by n log C. That means E naught given. E naught copper metal, these are non-metal electrode. Here how much? 0.33 plus 0.059 by 2 electrons and log. Here they given decimolar, so they given 0.1. 0.1 means 10 to the power of minus 1. That means plus 0.33 plus their minus value. They are how many times? 0.02, 0.295. They are minus. So these are minus. That means 0.330 minus 0.0295. That means 5003. Simply 0.30. 0.30 volts. 0.30 volts. Here 0.30 volts. That is it is a anode. That means within bracket these are anode. Next we can apply Nernst equation for non-metal electrode. That means E equal to E naught minus 0.059 by n log C. E naught given how much? 1.36. So 1.36 minus 0.059 by. But here how many electrons involved? Cl minus Cl2 minus only 1 electrons are involved. 1 electron log concentration 10 to the power minus 1. That means simply 1.36 minus 0.059. That means 1.36 minus 0.059. There how much? That means 103. 1.30. Here 1.30. 10 minus 9 1 0 3 3. Okay, 1.30. Here 1.30 volts. These act as a cathode. On CM calculation 1.36 given. Here 1.36 given. 1.36. Okay. EM of the cell. E cell equal to EM of the cell equal to E. RHS minus E LHS. RHS how much? Anode. 1.30 minus of. Okay. Minus of. Here also. E RHS. LHS how much? Direct. 0.30. That means 1.30. 0.30 0. So answer 1 volt. So answer 1 volts. Your formula once 9 times. Okay. Your how many times? 0.0295. 0.0295 means 0.330 0.295. 0.0 sorry. 0.0295, 0.025, sorry, here 5 9 0 0 2, sorry, come here plus 0.33 means 0.0295, how much? Plus 0.33, 0.0295 means 5 0 0 2, sorry, here small correction, here 0.2005 volts, these are anode, sorry, calculation wrong here also. After that 1.30 minus 0.2005 volts, sorry, that equal to answer of correct value, absolute value required 1.300, 0.2005, here 5, here 9, here 9 0. 5 1.2005 5, here how much is there? Sorry, 5, here 9, here 9 0, 1.09, 1.0995 volts, 1.0995 volts, 1.0995 volts, that is correct. So once calculation once see, so these are first E0 plus 0.059, otherwise some these are correct, some books 0. .0995 volts, that is correct, 1.0995 volts. So these are Nernst equation for metal electrode and non-metal electrode. One C. Nernst equation for metal electrode and non-metal electrode. Okay, step. Okay, next problem. Some books they took 0.059 is there. Some cases, okay, Arvish, some books they mentioned 0.059 is nothing but 0.006. That also correct. For simple calculation. Next. So write down next problem. Problem number 13. So problem number 13. So problem number 13. EMF of the cell reaction, EMF of the cell reaction, here 2Ag plus Cu, useless, 2Ag plus Cu2 plus is 0.46 volts. 46 volts. If E naught Cu2 plus by Cu is 0.34 volts, comma E naught Ag plus by Ag is, question mark, the given options 0.80 volts, 0.12 volts, 0.40 volts, 1.60 volts, 0.80, 0.12, 0.40 volts. They given EMF of the cell reaction. They given EMF of the cell given. Simple formula. EMF of cell equal to E RHS minus E LHS or E cathode minus E anode. E anode. Students, EMF of the cell given how much? 0.46. Very easy. 0.46 given. Among these two, copper or silver is there. In electrochemical series, copper or silver is there. So copper and silver generally, first in electrochemical series, first copper, next silver. Copper acts as a anode, silver acts as a cathode. So copper anode means how much? Plus 0.34. So they also